Top 5 Best Night Vision Dash Cams 2026. Driving at night can turn a simple trip into a visibility nightmare, especially when streetlights are poor and license plates become difficult to capture. That's why choosing the right night vision dash cam matters. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best night vision dash cams of 2026, so stay until number 1 to find the best overall option. Number 5. IIWEY N7 360 degrees dash cam. Starting our list at number 5 is the IIWEY N7 360 degrees dash cam, a versatile 4-channel system designed to give you coverage from nearly every direction. It records the front, rear, and both sides simultaneously in 1080p, using wide 170-degree front and rear lenses and 150-degree side cameras. For nighttime driving, its 8 infrared lights help improve visibility, particularly inside the cabin and around the vehicle. The adjustable side cameras also help reduce blind spots and provide additional evidence during incidents. You get built-in GPS, G-sensor protection, loop recording, Wi-Fi connectivity, app control, and a 3.16-inch IPS display. A 128GB memory card is included, which is convenient right out of the box. It also supports 24/7 parking mode when paired with a compatible hardware kit. If maximum coverage and affordability are priorities, the N6 is an impressive starting point. Number 4. Vantrue N4S. At number 4, we have the Vantrue N4S 2.7K 3-channel dash cam, built around triple Sony STARVIS 2 sensors for stronger image quality and challenging lighting. It records 2.7K from the front and 1440p from both the interior and rear cameras. Its wide-angle lenses provide broad coverage, while HDR and PlatePix technology are designed to preserve important details and license plates during both daytime and nighttime driving. Wi-Fi makes footage transfers convenient, and built-in GPS adds useful location and speed information. With support for up to 1 TB of storage in 24/7 parking mode, it's particularly well suited for rideshare drivers, commuters, and anyone wanting dependable 3-channel protection. Number 3. REDTIGER VP40. Moving on to number 3 is the REDTIGER VP40 4-channel 360 degrees dash cam, offering an impressive combination of coverage, night vision, and high-resolution recording. It uses 4 adjustable lenses to monitor the front, rear, and both sides, creating a comprehensive 360-degree view around your vehicle. The front and rear cameras record at 2.5K, while the side cameras capture 1080p footage. Dual Sony STARVIS 2 IMX675 sensors improve light sensitivity and dynamic range, while HDR helps retain important details in difficult lighting. 8 infrared lights provide enhanced night vision, especially for interior recording. You also get GPS, voice control, a touch screen, Wi-Fi, automatic incident detection, and 24-hour parking mode. For drivers who want extensive coverage without sacrificing nighttime performance, the VP40 is a strong all-around choice. Number 2. 70mm 4K dash cam. Coming in at number 2 is the 70mm 4K dash cam front and rear, a feature-packed option focused heavily on image quality and smart monitoring. Its front camera records in true 4K using a Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor, while the rear camera records in 1080p with another STARVIS 2 sensor. For nighttime recording, 70mm combines a large f1.7 aperture, HDR, Lumi Vision technology, and its Night Owl Vision algorithm to improve visibility in dark streets, parking areas, and poorly lit roads. The wide-angle setup also helps cover more of the surrounding road. Beyond image quality, this model offers Wi-Fi 6, GPS, voice control, ADAS, AI motion detection, and 24/7 parking monitoring. Optional 4G connectivity can provide remote access and additional security features. If you prioritize detailed 4K footage with advanced smart functions, the 70mm is an excellent choice. Number 1. IIWEY N7 Pro. And finally, our number 1 pick is the IIWEY N7 Pro 4K STARVIS 4-channel dash cam, delivering an impressive combination of resolution, coverage, and nighttime protection. It records native 4K footage from the front while simultaneously capturing 1080p video from the left, right, and rear cameras. With 4-channel coverage and an extensive field of view, it creates a protective bubble around the vehicle and helps minimize blind spots. 8 infrared night vision lights enhance visibility, especially for interior and low-light recording. You also get Wi-Fi 6, GPS, a 3.18-inch IPS display, G-sensor protection, loop recording, and 24/7 parking mode with the appropriate power setup. A 64GB card is included, making setup easier. For rideshare drivers, commuters, and everyday drivers who want maximum coverage with 4K front recording, the N7 Pro earns our top spot. Final verdict. Choosing the best night vision dash cam depends on your priorities. The Vantrue N4S and 70 might offer excellent image quality, while the REDTIGER VP40 delivers broad coverage. But for an impressive combination of 4K recording, 4-channel protection, infrared night vision, and useful features, the IIWEY N7 Pro stands out as our #1 pick. If this ranking helped, like the video, subscribe, turn on notifications, and check the affiliate links in the description for current prices and availability.